Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing my September plan with me, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey friends, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I'm just starting off with the month of September in my bullet journal with a yellow Crayola super tip, and I'm going to be drawing a bunch of rectangles all over the pages for the body of the pencils and coloring them in. These doodles were really fun to do and I really enjoyed it. I loved piecing together all the different pieces of the pencil. It was really fun to color in, and yeah, I know a lot of people, including me, started school in the month of August this year, but I still thought, September, all the school supplies and everything is still kind of new and fresh depending on what time you started. So I thought I would still do a pencil theme, and I think it turned out so cute and I'm so happy with it. And yeah, also comment down below what theme you are doing for the month of September, or you already did, or you're planning on doing, because I would love to hear all the things and I respond to all of my comments. I love getting inspiration from the themes that you guys do these months. So yeah, comment down below what theme you're doing for the month of September, because I would love to know and I would love to hear and chat with you guys down there. So yeah. Now I'm finishing up the last two pencils on this page, and then I'm going to go in with my Pentel marker and do the tips of the pencils. I totally forgot about my Pentel markers, but when I was looking for a shade for the end of the pencil, I found it and it was perfect. I'm just finishing up all of the tips on these pencils. I will make a short for you guys on how to doodle these pencils, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss that video when it comes out, because you'll want to see it. These are super cute and really easy to make. And then after that, I took my gray Tombow. All the numbers of the pencils and markers that I used will be linked in the description box, so check that out afterwards. And after I finished the gray, I went in with my pink Tombow and I made the little erasers. I think it turned out so cute. And then I took my Cricut marker, yes, for my Cricut machine. It was just the perfect shade, and I made the little lines on the pencils to give it some depth and add to the pencil, and I think it is super cute. And then from there, I'm just going to take my Sharpie gel pen and I'm just going to make a little black triangle at the tips of all the pencils to complete them and finish the look. And now I'm just going to finish up the last little tips of the pencils, and then I'm going to start adding all of the letters to these two front pages. And I love the font that I chose this month. I think it goes so perfectly with the pencil theme. But guys, on the left hand side with the quote, I totally missed like 3 whole entire words. I don't know what happened, but yeah, here's a little clip of what I did to kind of fix it. I just patched it with some paper and just kind of fixed it. It looks fine now, but sorry, you're gonna have to look at it not fixed for the rest of the video, so just ignore that. But I do really like the quote that I chose this month. The quote is, "If you don't fall, how are you going to know what getting up is like?" by Steph Curry, and I loved that, so I decided to use that this month. But here we are, moving on to the calendar. I have been loving the free floating calendar with no vertical lines, so I continue that again this month, and I'm just adding all of the little color and accents to this calendar spread. I have my holidays and birthdays section, my little notes section there at the bottom, and then my little YouTube tracker to track the subscribers at the start of the month and the end of the month, which is so exciting to see. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I'm so thankful for you guys, and yeah, I hope you are enjoying the videos as much as I'm enjoying making them for you guys. And now I'm just making all of the pencils for my calendar page, same as I did on the 2 cover pages. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this here. It was so much fun making all of these pencils. I love doing it, and it was extra rewarding because I had already sketched them all out beforehand, so it was like a coloring book of my own art. Now I'm adding all of the letters to this calendar page, like my birthdays and holidays section, my notes, my September in the left-hand corner, and then all of the days of the week at the top of the little calendar. Now I'm numbering all of the days of this month on my calendar, and yeah, then that should be it for my calendar page, and we can move on to my habit tracker and September playlist. I decided not to do a weekly spread this month, although I did like how my weekly spreads were set up last month. I did really like how they were all horizontal, but I just didn't really feel like I needed it. I felt like I could just use the to-do list in a normal notebook, and I could just save the space in my bullet journal, but I did miss the bigger calendar because I love that calendar to be able to look at it all and write everything I need to do in those little boxes, versus last month in my last Plan With Me video, if you saw it, those boxes on that calendar were a lot smaller and I couldn't fit everything I wanted to in them, so I switched back to the bigger calendar, but I still felt like I didn't need the weekly spread, so that's why I didn't really add it this month. But here I'm just adding all of my little habit tracker boxes, and I decided to do another playlist just because I think they are so much fun. Now I'm just finishing up all of the last pencils on these 2 pages, and I'm super excited for the flip through because it turned out so cute, so stay tuned for that. It's amazing. That is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, do all the fun things so you don't miss any new videos. Leave a comment because I respond to all of my comments. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my September Plan With Me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!